The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. The Governor of California has declared a stay-at-home order for Los Angeles County. Local authorities are trying to find 3 unknown individuals who happen to possess supernatural magic abilities. The 3 individuals resemble the magical genies and/or fairies, and a combination of being humans and fairies. Wearing crowns, having 3 hairdo colors, pink, purple, green, and their names are Cosmo, Wanda, and Perry, or Poof. These 3 individuals occasionally takes a form of being fairy godparents. It is unknown if they are considered as the fairy godparents, or if they are hostile. If you have any information about these 3 individuals, or have any details about these individuals, contact the California Police Department at 818-756-4800, or by dialing 911.